All right, guys, I want to start doing these videos and bringing you into the life of making money remotely on the side, the mindset, different things you can do if you don't have the money to afford it. Because affiliate marketing has been the big thing. You know, I was very part-time with affiliate marketing since I got started in 2013. I got super serious in 2020 when we were shut down, and it took me into 2020, really like last year or 2023, to really get good at it and understand what I need to do, because there's so much information online. It's hard to tell what to do. It's hard to tell what product to sell, how to set it up. It's just so many things going on. So if you found this channel, you want to subscribe, because not only do I have a whole bunch of reviews and stuff of different opportunities that I can start bringing these, so you can come like day in the lifestyle and really see how it works, guys. I'm very big in videos, systems, automations, website creation, funnels, and that side, the tech side of it, and I'm really good at attraction marketing as well. But I've been running this thing pretty part-time, because I do other side hustles. Like I might go Instacart, I might Uber. I don't have a regular 9-to-5 or anything, but that's how I've been able to maintain bills, my expenses for my business. My overhead of my business right now is probably $350 a month, just because I try a lot of new stuff. But someone like you, for example, I'm launching a 90 days, income stream training, and I show you guys how to pretty much have multiple streams of income for $200 a month. $200 a month. And if you do it right, it can start paying you $2,900 a week. So it's all about automating the business and posting the right content. And literally, I'm recording this on my phone. It's all about knowing how to use your phones, because these phones they're not full frame, but you can get the same illusion with cinematic and f-stop and exposure, just like I'm doing right now. You can get crisp videos and you can reach people. What you guys have to understand is, if you have a setup, meaning you know exactly who you're targeting, you know what you're offering, and people can distinguish what you have to offer them, you just got to put the content out. For example, if you're someone that's overworked and stressed out and you want a side hustle, you need an extra, few $1,000s a week to get to where you want to get. And I have a whole 90-day or 30-day system and way that you can come and see duplication. You're going to be like, all right, bet, and plug in. You can't just be out here saying, hey, I do digital marketing. Hey, I just sell a course. But you just point people to the course, but you don't have an action plan for them. That's probably what you see when it comes to marketing online, is courses, etc. But there's actually a whole other side of it. Network marketing, affiliate marketing. I'm heavy back into affiliate marketing, just because courses, it's just a lot of missing. Network marketing, they don't have the new age training. So once you learn how to market affiliate marketing, then you can go into these other avenues and go crazy. So I'm probably going to end this video here, but in the description, I'm going to show you an automated system that you can plug in place and literally just start posting the content I'll show you how to make in like 7 days or less. Literally, the quicker you can get this set up, take action, the quicker you can start making money. And I'm going to fast route it, because I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on these high-end courses. I even remember when I bought a $2,500 course that I barely even promoted. I did it all. So I show you exactly how to get to the meat and potatoes, how to start account from a few followers and start getting views, especially now that TikTok is back. I'm not sure if you guys have TikTok or able to have it, but especially if you have it, you need to hop on this right now. So just go to the description and you're going to see more. Make sure you subscribe and you are ready for February, because we're taking off.